Howdy, folks. Just bought some more stuff from Tekton here. I'm gonna unbox this. So what this is, looks like I got a good angle there on the camera. So this is their new Crowfoot flare nut wrench. Pretty excited about these. They've had these out on their website, as in they're coming soon, for a long time, and I don't know, maybe they were just working some bugs out with them or having some issues getting things kind of put together, but I'm glad hopefully they took their time and got a good product. So let's get these opened up. But I went ahead and bought the whole set, and I had enough rewards that basically covered a vast majority of this purchase. So that was pretty cool. So let's see here. So this one is, let's see. So there's your WCF92320. 320. Thought it wasn't focusing there for a second. And so, anyways, yeah, I'll go ahead and crack these open. You can see the sizes there between the two. So this is with the racks and everything. So anyways, let me just get to it. And I wish these would have came just a couple days ago, because I ended up needing one of these in a bad way. So, oh well, it'll make Erie assembly of what I was doing a lot easier on the Jeep. So, ooh. And I thought it was kind of, I don't know, cool. I guess we'll see how the finish is, but they opted for a non-chrome plated finish on this. So we'll see how that holds up. But they're made in the United States, which we all know I love, and nice racks. So all 3/8 drive. Yeah, they look nice. I mean, if that thing would focus, but yeah, no, they are nice looking. Oh, so they're stamped right there on the side. That's pretty nice. Yeah. No, that there is very nice. So, yeah, with that said, so we got the full set. They sit in there real nice. Hopefully they'll fit in my drawer pretty nice. Guess here, hang on, I'll just set them in my box real quick down here. Yep, so that one clears my drawer. Oops, lost those. So apparently can't throw them around, but yeah, so they all fit in there nice. So we got 8 mil through 27 with a skip at 25 and 26. And yeah, so they are nice. And always losing the 10, so it's down here on the floor somewhere. So these, I don't know, I just am super excited to see these. And overall, the finish that they use, even though it's not a chrome, it feels nice. Feels like it'll, there, should have a band-aid on there. But yeah, should clean up nice with oils and greases on them. So pretty excited to use them. So anyways, that's all I got for you there. And let's see, what else was I going to say about these guys? Yeah, I think from a competitive nature, there's a couple other options out there on the market, but once again, I think these are your best bang for your buck, all things considering. And yeah, that's what I got for you. Take it easy.